Hey there, fellow creators. Get ready to embark on an exhilarating journey with me, Kaustubh Jaiswal, as we dive into the extraordinary world of Unqork, the ultimate no-code platform. Welcome to this exciting series where we'll unlock the power of Unqork from scratch and master its fascinating concepts. If you're eager to build remarkable applications without the fuss of coding, you're in the right place. In this very first video, we'll unveil the magic of Unqork, understand why it's an absolute game changer, and discover why learning it is a ticket to boundless possibilities. But before we set sail, let's make sure you're well prepared to embark on this adventure. Don't worry, we've got you covered. We'll outline all the prerequisites you need to get started on this thrilling journey. So, buckle up and join me as we unravel the wonders of Unqork in this engaging and informative introduction. Together, we'll empower ourselves with the skills to create extraordinary applications and turn our boldest ideas into reality. See you inside!